Good afternoon, welcome to InsureFit. Today we've done an installation of the StarLine S96 system to this cracking Ford Transit Custom MSRT. The system comes with all sorts of functions, shock sensors, load area sensors, pretty much everything that you need to protect this type of vehicle, or any vehicle in fact. I'm just going to go through a couple of bits of information that show how the system works. The system comes with a free app. As you can see here, it comes with free tracking for life. We can set it up to send you notifications, so phone calls and text messages if the alarm is activated, or if there's an attack on the vehicle. So I'll just demonstrate the warn away now for you. So as you can see, the system is armed. So a light knock to the vehicle, it'll send us an alert to say the system's been attacked. I'll now demonstrate how the full alarm system will go off should there be a further attack to the vehicle. Another feature of this alarm system is the internal load area sensors. So obviously this vehicle's too nice to put deadlocks on, so we fitted a microwave sensor to the rear of the van. This will protect the rear of the van if anybody cuts through these panels or tries to attack the sliding door, a common problem with this vehicle. So I'll just demonstrate. As you can see, it's pretty loud and pretty effective. We can add another siren into that load area as well if you need to. With the StarLine S96 system, we get these two Bluetooth tags. These are waterproof and shockproof, pretty indestructible to be honest. What happens is if the keys are cloned, or if somebody steals a set of keys and these are separated from the vehicle will not physically start. It'll give you a countdown to say the tags aren't present. After 30 seconds, if the tags haven't been shown within the vehicle physically will not start. So I'll demonstrate this now. We'll pop these into the Faraday pouch and show you how that system works. So we've added our tags into this Faraday pouch. This is just simply to replicate the key fobs not being present within the vehicle. I'll show you now how the system works without the key fobs being present. This will replicate a key being stolen, used, or a cloned key, for instance. So the vehicle will still unlock as normal. Allow you into the vehicle. Vehicle won't start. Nothing happening at all. Completely immobilised. After 30 seconds or so, we will start getting a warning to let us know that the key tags aren't present. As you can see, it's starting to give us a countdown now. With the StarLine system, we can also add loads of little extras on, whether it's scene lights, additional sirens, or on the customs, quite a bit of a favourite with the custom drivers. You've probably seen the mirror fold. That's done through a relay in the door. It's a little bit unstable, mirrors folding around and doing their own thing when the van's locked and unlocked. With this particular vehicle, as soon as the ignition comes on, fold open. See both sides, and when we kill the vehicle, ignition off, mirrors folding. So thanks for watching this brief demonstration of how the S96 system works. We hope you get in touch. If you've any questions or you're interested in having this particular system fitted to your vehicle, please do give us a call on 01254 200 211. We're based in Blackburn, Lancashire. We're one of only 2 or 3 dealers in the whole of the Northwest that are currently installing this system. If it's installed via one of the approved dealers, you will get a 5-year warranty with the system, so that's always worth bearing in mind. Thanks again for watching. Thank you very much.